In this video, I want to introduce you to a number of note-taking apps, simple ones, then more complex ones like Evernote or OneNote. For the simple ones, and this is actually what I prefer, I use this one, Note. And by the way, I have no business relationship with any of them. I just use Note, this one. If you are on iOS, there is a note-taking app that actually comes on your phone for free as one of the main apps that just come with your phone as default. And it's very simple. You see, if I click here, you'll see that on the fourth, see this yellow one right here? See how simple the interface can be? Or the third one here with the purple? You basically just open it, start writing. So the way I use it is when I'm walking down the street, if I'm in line at a grocery store, if I'm on my commute, not driving, but let's say on a train or just anywhere out, if I have some ideas or I have some time or I want to organize my next day. So like, let's say I have a little bit of downtime and I'm waiting for something, some appointment, anything. I have some downtime. Guess what? I can schedule my day. I can create a to-do list for the next day, bring it home. When I'm working at home, I usually have a piece of paper next to me with a pen so that I can write down my to-do list at home that day. And I just kind of sync it with the one on the app. And I look, did I have any unique original ideas on the app? Can I add and adjust it to my originally made to-do list? So what it allows me to do is never lose any ideas, because I have a to-do list that I make when I'm on the go, and then I merge it with my, I guess you would call it, master to-do list for that day, so that I have the optimal tasks each day and I never forget any good ideas that I have. Not to mention it saves me time because I don't have to be at my desk to organize my day today and the day ahead. And I like this because of the simplicity of interface. You just open it, start writing essentially. The other apps like Evernote, if I navigate to that, you'll see that it's more complicated in its interface. There's a lot more features, which is fantastic, but you have to actually spend a little more time with it. So this is more for robust users. The same thing with OneNote. It's also kind of same kind of app. It's just for taking notes, making to-do lists. It's more complicated than the first app I showed you, so it's more for intermediate or advanced users. So what I would recommend, if you're just getting into to-do lists and apps for it, what I'd recommend is just get the simple one. Once you feel like the simple one is not doing enough for you, then you can get into Evernote or OneNote. That would be a natural, logical progression. Long term, you want to try all of them so you see what really works for you. But just to start and ease into the process of creating to-do lists and actually adhering to them, not just neglecting them, then the simple one is just fine. The beauty of the simple one is that it's simple and it's easy to get started, which is really why I like it.